I want to show you how I turned this particular design. This was the template I took from Canva. Let me just delete it and pick it again. So I picked, this was the template from Canva. So I want to show you how I turned this to this, although I'm not totally done with the design, but you can get the idea. You can easily pick any template from Canva and turn it to anything you want. So basically, I changed this to 5 digital skills in 5 days because creating an offer, teaching people, I want to teach people how to learn 5 digital skills in 5 days, right? So I just put here 5 digital, then I expanded this because it can no longer accommodate. I expanded it. So 5 classes for the future, then I wrote in 5 days instead. Then, wrote all the other things. Then I listed the skills here. So this is 4. I needed to make it 5. Then I just duplicated one of this. I duplicated this. I duplicated this. Then I dragged it all the way up. Dragged it. So I dragged this one down. Then I dragged everything else all the way down. So that's why I have this. And then I just clicked on each element to change the color. So this is Rimeri. I don't know the brand name. So since my name is Prince of Digital Skills, I decided to put pods here, which signifies Prince of Digital Skills. So I could easily change this element as well and look for something like just search for something like P icon, something like that, to represent Prince of Digital Skills. And I think there's a particular icon I usually use. Let me see if I'm going to get that icon. Okay, it's one of these. I think there's another one. So yeah, I could easily use any of these to just signify or symbolize my logo or whatever it is you want to call it. Let me use this. So what I would have to do is to reduce it to the size that I want, and then move it, drag it, as you can see, and I can easily give this one a color which will be color white. And remember, there's one be there before that I need to delete, so I need to just take this one back, send backward, and now if I click on it, will select the one that was there before. So you understand, I will delete it. I clicked on delete on my keyboard, and then it's deleted the one that was there before. So if you feel like this is too big, if I feel it's too big, I could easily reduce it. And yeah, Prince of Digital Skills 5 days. Then I made this blue, change the color from red to blue. Then so I need to change this as well from red to blue. Then all these icons, change their color from red to blue, since blue is the color of my brand, and that's what I use to build my sales funnel. I'll show you my funnel maybe in another video. So it remains this image that I need. So okay, so this icon WhatsApp, also what I did was to, there was an icon there before which is a call icon. I want a WhatsApp icon. Then I went to elements, searched for WhatsApp icon, and then it gave me this, and I dragged this down, reduced the size, then I changed the color. I changed the color over here, so that's it. So from contact us, I changed it to enroll now, and the phone number I changed it to mine. For more information, Prince Hotels. So my website, I could delete this barcode. I can as well create a barcode, right? I believe you know how to create a barcode. If you don't know how to create a barcode, let me know. I'm going to make a video on that. And pretty much that's everything how I turn this to this. So I can, if I have another image I want to use for this background, I can easily say search under elements as well and look for maybe give it an idea, basically adults, maybe these people, they use children, adults with computer or something like that, or adults learning digital skills. If you give it something that it cannot find, Okay, because I used that dot, it brought old people. So let me just, so you could use it. Then under photos, you click to see all, and if I decide to use this as instead, I can just drag this to the place, and you will see that we have. So that's it basically, but I'm going to leave it to what was there. And then this as well, this particular image, I can as well look for something else to use, maybe this, or look for this is not that close. I could use a lot of images here. I could use this, but let me just take it back. So I believe I've fulfilled the purpose of this particular tutorial. And yeah, that's how. So let me just delete this. I've shown you how I created this particular flyer that I'm going to be using. And that's also, I think there's one more thing I would want to add, because I have free gifts that I'm giving people enrolling for this course, that will be enrolling for this course. So let me just search for bonuses. Oh, it was, okay, sorry, bonus. I could search for bonus. I could use this. It's even in blue already. I could look for another free gifts. I can search for free gifts, or free bonus, or free gift inside, free bonus, or something. You just look for something that communicates the idea, then Canva is going to bring so since I wrote bonus here, I might want to rotate it. I want it to be like this, something like this, or I can just return it to what it was, right? And let me just duplicate one of these text and just try something like 30 free gifts for early birds, like people who enroll fast will get a free gift. I can just take that down, bring it like this. I could have it in the center. So I can make it bold and then just reduce it like that. So that's how you can design a flyer or anything at all with Canva, basically. So the idea is the same. You can pick any template and just tweak it to whatever it is you want. These templates, okay, I didn't show you how I got this template. You go for design, under design, then you search for something that's relating to what you want. For me, when I was searching, I just searched for digital skills, right? It's going to give me designs relating to that. Then I can then search and scroll for the one that I want. Do you understand? So that is it basically. And if you are trying to design something for a wedding, an invite, you can search for pay invite, something like that, tweak it to what you want, and then you have it. So and if you'd like to enroll for my 5 digital skills in 5 days program, there are a lot of things I'm going to be teaching in this 5 to 5. I call it 5 to 5 because I'm going to be teaching 5 digital skills in 5 days. I think I should put this in the middle. Yeah, 5 digital skills in 5 days. So join my 5 in 5. So I call it 5 in 5 because it's 5 digital skills in 5 days. Join my 5 in 5 digital skills training. That's going to be teaching you all of these and much more. Let me show you the things I'm going to be teaching: professional Canva design, video editing, information marketing. I'll teach you I'll let you know what information marketing is and how you can really make money from it, right? Then AI automation, sales funnel, how to create sales funnel. Sales funnels is basically series of steps that people go through for them to pay you, for them to become your customer. So you can create a funnel. Instead of you, every time you want to make money, you need to go online to do this, to do that. You can create a system that will work for you day and night, so that even when you are sleeping, you are making money. Then bonuses, I'm going to be giving you bonuses. The first one is that lots of memes videos that you can use to spice up your content or your editing. I'll teach you how to live stream events for people and make money with it. Like I do this for myself as well, and I make a lot of money from it. Then I'm going to give you some AI prompts that you can use to get the best from ChatGPT and other AI tools, right? So it's going to be holding Mondays to Friday, Monday to Friday, right? And it's going to be online, so you can watch at any time, right? And if you're asking me how much it is, well, it's worth more than 50K. But then, because I have not launched it, I just want to launch it, because when I launch it, it's going to be it's going to be 15K or 20K or 25K when I launch it. But now you can pay 25K. I mean, sorry, 5,000 naira. You can pay 5,000 naira now. But when I launch it, it's going to be 15 or 20,000, or even 25,000, basically. So 5,000 naira now, and you can check the pinned comments for details on how to enroll. And please avoid scammers in the comment section. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the future.